This is how you're going to transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero. In QuickBooks, what you have to do first is you're going to export your balance and general ledger data, or it actually depends on what you're trying or what kind of data you're trying to transfer from QuickBooks to Xero. So for this one, for example, we want to transfer our expenses data. So for the expenses data, we're going to copy it or we're going to save it from the QuickBooks first by clicking on this export to Excel icon, and then as you can see, it will be downloaded right here. Now we're going to head back to Xero, and then from here we're going to head over to purchases, and then we're going to click on expenses. Now from this page is where we are going to import it. So we can set it up as expenses, or we can also just set it up as in the purchases overview. So for this one, what you're going to do is we're just going to click on import right here. And then from the import section, we're just going to choose the last saved file that we have saved from QuickBooks. So we're going to select file from here. And then we're going to head to downloads, and then I'm going to import the sheet that we have just downloaded. Now I'm going to open this, and then I'm going to choose the fields right here that is most applicable to my business, and then from there we're just going to hit on confirm. Now this is going to be imported into your Xero account, and all you have to do is to click on complete import, and that's it. That is how you're going to transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero. Like I said, it all depends on what kind of data you're trying to transfer, but this method applies to every single data that you wanted to be transferred. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.